Leopard 2, the cat in the mud. Next came Europe's pride, the German Leopard 2. Fast, accurate, armored to the teeth. Western analysts said it could finally break the stalemate. But the battlefield wasn't Europe's plains. It was minefields. Endless belts of steel and fire. Russian engineers had buried tens of thousands of mines across the front. Columns advanced, then halted. Drones overhead called artillery strikes within minutes. Leopards bogged down and burned where they stood. Some were captured, others abandoned. In the game changer graveyard, even big cats go still.